Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get a health card. Obtaining your health card is a straightforward process when you know the steps. We will cover everything from understanding eligibility and gathering your documents to completing the application and knowing what to expect afterward. This guide aims to make the process clear and easy to follow, ensuring you have the essential information needed for your healthcare access. To begin, it is crucial to understand who qualifies for a health card. Generally, you must be a resident, often for a minimum period, such as 153 days. You will need several key documents. These typically include proof of identity, like a valid passport or driver's license, and proof of residency, such as a recent utility bill. Sometimes, a birth certificate or immigration papers are also required. Once you have all your documents, the next step is the application itself. You can usually find the application form online or pick one up at a local service center. Fill out every section carefully, double-checking for accuracy to avoid delays. Remember to attach clear copies of all your supporting documents. Finally, submit your completed application, either in person, through the mail, or sometimes conveniently online. After submitting your application, patience is key. Processing times typically range from 4 to 6 weeks. Your new health card will then be mailed directly to the address you provided. If you haven't received it within 8 weeks, it's a good idea to contact the Health Services Office for an update. Once you have your card, keep it safe and readily available for all your medical needs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.